How to activate MS Office 2021? This is very common problem every people faces after purchasing their new laptop. Because in 2024 almost all the laptop comes with Microsoft Office Home and Student version 2021 lifetime license. So whether you are using it for your work, study or any personal project, activating your MS Office is very much necessary to get the full range of features of Microsoft Office. And in simple steps, I will tell you how you can activate your MS Office 2021. So shifting into the screen sharing, simply you have to press the start button and launch any of the Office apps like Word, Excel or PowerPoint. I go with the Word. So after launching the Word, we get pop-up of you have got Office. Your device includes Office Home and Student 2021. So simply you have to click the sign in button. Then there are two options to activate MS Office. If you already have Microsoft account, then simply you have to add the email here. And if you don't have any Microsoft account, simply you have to click the create one. Then simply you have to create a new email address. So I am just creating techterminus@outlook.com. And Outlook is the domain of Microsoft that you already know. And you can also use your existing email to create your Microsoft account, but I am creating a new one with the Outlook itself. Then you have to create a password which should be alphanumeric of 8 characters. Then simply you have to select the region, that is India, and your birth date. Then click next. Then you have to wait for just a moment, one moment, getting things ready, and you have to just confirm. Then we got to see we found your product MS Office Home and Student version 2021 product key confirmed. Then simply you have to click the confirm. Things getting ready. Then finally you are able to see success. Office Home and Student 2021 is now linked to your Microsoft account. Then simply you have to click get started. Close the window. Okay. Next. Don't send optional data. Don't personalize. And done. After that, simply you have to close the Microsoft Word and relaunch it. And yes, our Office 2021 is activated successfully. And just for cross verification, I am launching the Excel. Then simply blank workbook. Now you see the prompt, you have got Office, your account has Microsoft Office Home and Student version 2021. Simply you have to click get started. After that you have to accept. And now you are ready to use all the Office software like Word, Excel, PowerPoint and OneNote. And to check whether this MS Office 2021 lifetime license linked with your email or not, you can simply log in with your Microsoft account. After that, you have to go into the services and subscription center. And now you can able to see Office Home and Student 2021 added to your account on December 2024. So it's clear now Office 2021 is added to your Microsoft account successfully and it's ready to use. So this is all about how you can activate MS Office 2021 in easy and simple steps. And here I only talk about the licensed version of MS Office 2021 that comes with your laptop itself. That is obviously the home and student version. And those who don't have licensed version of MS Office 2021, then you can buy from any third party stores which provides MS Office licensed version at very cheap price. Definitely can check it out. So if you found this tutorial helpful, please hit the like button, and if you are new to the channel, please subscribe. And if you have any questions or doubt, please drop in the comment. I will be happy to help. So see you in the next video. Till then, take care and very goodbye to all of you.